Hi, today we are going to learn cooking verbs vocabulary. Sharpen. The chef is sharpening the knife. Wash. She is washing the vegetables. Crush. My mother is crushing garlic. Chop. Chop the cabbage. Slice. He is slicing the onion. Dice. Dice the apple. Peel. She is peeling the potatoes. Mash. Mash the potatoes. Pour. He is pouring the black tea. Drain. Drain the noodles. Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon. Break. He is breaking an egg. Light. Light the stove. Turn off. Turn off the heat. Put. The man is putting the pot on the stove. Heat. Preheat the oven. Make. Make the coffee. Sift. Sift the flour. Knead. Knead the dough for few minutes. Roll out. Roll out the dough into a large circle. Toss. He is tossing the pizza dough. Flip. She is flipping the chapati. Bake. Bake the cookies. Grill. Grill the tomatoes. Boil. Boiling water. Steam. Steam the vegetables. Simmer. Simmer the vegetables for 2 minutes. Fry. Fry the potato vadas. Melt. Melt some butter on the pan. Saute. Saute the vegetables. Add. Add some spices in your soup. Sprinkle the salt on your French fries. Stir the soup. Grate. He is grating cheese on pizza. Weigh. She used a scale to weigh the ingredients. Whip. Whip the cream until thick. Mix. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl. Measure. She measured the milk with a measuring cup. Blend. She is blending the veggies and the fruits. Toast. Please toast a bread from me. Spread. I like to spread butter on toast. Top. Let's top the pizza with vegetables. Decorate. She is decorating the cake. Serve. Serving food is a great skill.